Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some pecan oat bars. I'm going to use Amoretti's natural pecan flour, our Madagascar bourbon vanilla, our agave nectar, and some raisin swirl. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to toast our nuts and our seeds. We have oats, the pecans. This is our pecan flour, and we have other flours that you could use in place of this if you want. We have pistachio and almond and hazelnut, so any of these would be good. This is some flaxseed, wheat germ, a little bit of cinnamon, and some salt. So I'm just going to toast the nuts and seeds, mix them together, put them in a 350 oven for 15 minutes. This will bring out the flavors and the oils and give you a nicer product in the end. Just spread it out on a sheet pan, give it a little mix, and you're good. We'll be back. Okay, so while our oats are toasting, I'm going to grind up some bananas and some dates. I don't have sugar in this recipe because I'm using dates to sweeten everything. So this is a really nice, healthy snack for school or after school. You want the bananas to be smooth. Some of these dates will still be in chunks, but that's okay. They'll get nice and soft while they're baking, but you want to get the bananas as smooth as you can. Okay, we'll clean this up and bring in the other ingredients. Okay, so now the oats have toasted, they've cooled. I'm just going to mix everything together and we'll bake it. So we have the bananas and the dates here. We're going to mix it with the other ingredients. A little bit of honey. This is our agave. This is our agave clear. We have an agave light, we have amber, lots of different kinds of agave. I have some raisin swirl here. This is going to add some sweetness. If you don't want to use the raisin swirl, we also have a date swirl that you could use, and some vanilla. All right, so let's just mix these together. Okay, and I'll add the nuts and the seeds, the oatmeal. Okay, this is a pretty easy recipe. It comes together very fast and it's super healthy. You can keep these in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks if you wrap them nicely. It's a great snack to have on the go. I know my grandkids love these. Something good you can have in the morning. If you're in a hurry, you can grab one of these. Okay, I'm just going to put it in this pan. I have sprayed this pan and lined it with some parchment. I'm just going to pour it in here, level it off, and then we can bake it at 350 for about 35 minutes. We'll be back. All right, so these bars have cooled, and I'm going to pull them out, take them out of their parchment. Once the bars have been cooked, it's really a good idea to let them sit in the refrigerator overnight. Makes it much easier to cut. These are really tasty. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter. We want to keep you updated on all of our discounts, our promos, and of course our giveaways. You can follow us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you next time.